Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. My name is Trix, and on this channel we share one little spark of life in each and every video. We hang out together every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday and unbox subscription boxes, share our love for all things Disney, review products, and share shopping hauls when we have them. If that sounds like your jam, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. That way you won't miss another upload. I am on my way, almost there, to hitting my 2020 goal of having 1,000 members of our community. That is 1,000 subscribers, and I would love every new subscriber. It definitely helps me hit that goal, and I just love having you guys in my community. I love talking to you here and over on Instagram. If you are a returning member of our community, well, welcome back. Thank you so much. It is great to see you again. So today I have a subscription box unboxing. It is a book subscription box. Reading is definitely one of the ways that I relax after I get off of work. I will be linking in the description box down below book hauls and other book subscription boxes that I have unboxed on this channel. If you like books, definitely check those videos out after you watch this one. But today I have Book of the Month. This is the first time that I have subscribed to this book subscription box, and I subscribed with their Black Friday deal. So I do not think that they are running this deal any longer, but they were running a deal that your first box, your first book, you get for $5. And I thought, whoa, that is an amazing deal. And I'm not exactly sure how long I'm going to keep this up, but as long as I do subscribe to Book of the Month, we are definitely going to jump on here and unbox this box together. Usually Book of the Month costs $15 per month, so it's $15 for a book, which honestly, I don't think is that bad of a deal. So I am relatively new to Book of the Month, but Book of the Month also gives you choices. Each month they give you a synopsis of what the book is. You can pick which book you receive, or I think you can get surprised if you would like. You also have the option to skip a month if you do not like any of the books, or you just need to skip the month for whatever reason. And you can add on past month's books to your box. So let's open this one on. Oh, thanks, Book of the Month. I do have great taste. Everything in my box is shrink wrapped. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is a booklet, and this explains, I'm assuming that this is just because this is my first month of getting this box, that it just kind of gives like a recap of what Book of the Month is, how they pick their books, the company in general, and they have, I thought so, because I think that this is like officially like the OG, like the original book subscription box, and this just verified it to me. And they've been doing this for nearly 100 years. So they started the first Book of the Month Club book was The Sun Also Rises by Ernest Hemingway in December of 1926. All right, so I have a bookmark. Mind if I cut in? Cute. I love receiving bookmarks in subscription boxes. Without bookmarks, I typically just use like post-it notes or like receipts from the store or something. But having a bookmark is always nice. And then they also sent some stickers. I love stickers. I use them in my planner and in my journals. Merry everything. And it says, thanks for it's so funny. Thanks for sticking with us through 2020. All right, and give you a little close-up of those stickers. And now to my choice. I don't know, like I'm kind of confused about which month this is for, because I subscribed on Black Friday, which was towards the end of November, but it came in December. So I'm not exactly sure if this is the November choice or the December choice, but it's the choice I have. So let me show it to you. It is a book of fiction, nice hardcover copy by Laurie Nelson Spielman, and it is The Star-Crossed Sisters of Tuscany. I love that cover design. Let me read you a little synopsis of the book. Since the day Filomena Fontana cast a curse upon her sister more than 200 years ago, not one second-born Fontana daughter has found lasting love. Some, like second-born Amelia, the happy single baker at her grandfather's Brooklyn deli, claim it's an odd coincidence. But others, like her desperate-for-love cousin Lucy, insist it's a true hex. But both are bewildered when their great aunt calls with an astounding proposition. If they accompany her to her homeland of Italy, Aunt Poppy vows that she'll meet the love of her life on the steps of the Ravello Cathedral on her 80th birthday and break the Fontana second daughter curse once and for all. Against the backdrop of wandering Venetian canals, rolling Tuscan fields, and enchanting Amalfi Coast villages, romance blooms, destinies are found, and family secrets are unearthed. Secrets that could threaten the family far more than a centuries-old curse. That sounds fantastic. So I picked this one out of all the choices just because it did sound quite lighthearted, but also like it would be a slightly mysterious and also touching book. I am definitely I am almost guaranteed to like a piece of fiction if it is set in Italy or set in France. Just something about those two countries, just something about those two countries in literature just seem so picturesque to me. So what I do plan to do with my book of the month unboxings, since it is just literally a book that I am going to be unboxing and not too much more to talk about, I am going to read through the book, and then in the next month unboxing, I'm going to give my review of this book. So if you would like to hear what my review for Laurie Nelson Spielman's Star-Crossed Sisters of Tuscany is, sure you subscribe so that you will get notified next month when I unbox my book of the month. Let me know in the comments down below if you are a subscriber to Book of the Month, which book did you pick? Also let me know if you know like what month this book is for, like what choice this was. Yeah, let me know that down below. If you have a book subscription box that you absolutely love, drop that in the comments down below as well. That way we can all learn about it. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell on your way out. It would help me out tremendously and would mean so much to me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!